Introducing the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor, the latest evolution of Ford's legendary off-road performance truck. Built for those who demand the ultimate in power, capability, and versatility, the F-150 Raptor continues to set the benchmark in its class. Designed to dominate both on and off the road, the 2025 Raptor boasts a bold and commanding presence. Its aggressive styling is matched by advanced engineering, featuring a high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body and a fully boxed steel frame. Experience the power, capability, and innovation of the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. Built to lead, designed to perform, this is more than a truck, it's a statement. At the heart of the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor lies a powerhouse of innovation and performance. Designed to deliver unmatched power and efficiency, this is an engine that truly sets the Raptor apart. Under the hood, you'll find the all-new 3.5-litre supercharged V8 engine, engineered to produce an exhilarating 450 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 510 pound-feet of torque. This beastly engine ensures that the Raptor is ready to conquer any challenge, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rugged trails. And it's not just about raw power. The Raptor's dual exhaust system provides an aggressive, throaty roar that lets everyone know this is no ordinary truck. It's a symphony of strength and performance, echoing the spirit of adventure wherever you go. Step inside the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor, where rugged performance meets refined luxury. Designed with both driver and passenger in mind, the Raptor's interior is a blend of advanced technology, premium comfort, and meticulous craftsmanship. The moment you settle into the Raptor's premium leather seats, you'll feel the difference. These seats are not only built for comfort, but also feature contrast stitching and the iconic Raptor logo, adding a touch of elegance to your off-road beast. At the heart of the Raptor's cabin is the driver-oriented cockpit. The fully digital instrument cluster and the expansive 12-inch touchscreen display put all the essential information and controls right at your fingertips, ensuring you stay connected and in command. The Raptor's advanced Sync 4 infotainment system offers seamless smartphone integration, voice-activated controls, and a suite of entertainment options to keep you and your passengers entertained on every journey. With features like navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling, you're always connected no matter where the road takes you. Space and comfort extend to the rear seats as well, where passengers can enjoy ample legroom and premium amenities. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or a cross-country trek, every seat in the Raptor offers first-class comfort. And for those who crave the open sky, the Raptor's panoramic moonroof brings the outdoors in, offering breathtaking views and a sense of freedom no matter where you are.
The new BYD Shark is the first pickup truck from BYD and is built on its all-new DMU off-road ladder frame platform. The first brand new product from the company to be launched outside China, the Shark will be sold in markets such as Mexico and Australia and is slated to rival the likes of the Ford Ranger and the Toyota Hilux. BYD Shark measures 5,457mm in length, 1,971mm in width, 1,925mm in height and has a 3,260mm long wheelbase. On the outside, the Shark carries the usual pickup styling tropes, all boxy and upright with chunky fender flares and features such as the very Ford F-150 lightning-like vertical headlights, full-width front and rear lighting signatures and ginormous BYD badge on the grille. Roof rails, a wrap-around windscreen design and a rather crude-looking sports bar are also present, as are 18-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels. Inside, BYD used multiple colors to highlight some of the cabin's design features. The rectangular air vents and some toggle switches in the center console are painted in orange with contrasting stitching on the seats, dashboard and door panels. A chunky shifter stands out in the center console, and there's a tray on the front passenger's dashboard that can be used to place smaller items like a wallet or keys. A rotative 12.8-inch screen is the star of the show, and it's similar to what we have seen in the BYD Yuan Plus and Seal. The screen can be used in portrait or landscape mode and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A separate 10.25-inch screen for the driver displays vital information about the truck, and a 12-inch head-up display can show the speed and directions to the driver. Powering the BYD Shark is a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a plug-in hybrid system called Dual Off-Road Mode, putting out a combined 435 horsepower. The PHEV powertrain is set to optimize off-road performance. BYD claims that the Shark pickup truck can dash from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds. It can travel 100 km on electricity alone, while 30 to 80% charge would take about 20 minutes. The body-on-frame truck offers a payload capacity of 835 kg and a 2500 kg towing capacity. It gets an independent front and rear suspension. The truck debuts BYD's dual-mode off-road chassis, which enables an intelligent all-wheel drive system with a virtual differential that prevents wheel slip. 3 off-road modes are available: sand, snow and mud.